So you're looking to buy an ocean view, 2-bedroom property close to the Malecon for $90,000, preferably with a pool. Unfortunately, they sold out over 10 years ago.
Money's funny. If you're homeless, it's what you can scrape by to get something to eat.
If you're just getting by, you think you're just one step away from homelessness. If you are comfortable, you're not comfortable enough not to worry. If you're affluent, you think you're only comfortable, and if you're a millionaire, you think that's nothing. You're nobody unless you're a billionaire.
And if you're a billionaire, you want more, so instead of just taking joyrides into space, you can set up a colony on Mars for when the world implodes.
Or buy Twitter.
Money is funny. So is buying real estate in Mexico. For most people, I would recommend choosing a real estate agent. Many real estate transactions are quite different than what you might expect in Canada or the US. There are also excellent lawyers. We used Baja Legal. However, notaries complete real estate transactions. Some people will tell you you don't really need a lawyer. And if someone tells you that, I suggest you recall Warren Levon's song, "Send Lawyers Guns and Money." Buying a house privately is not for the faint of heart. Does the seller have the legal right to sell the property? Is what you are seeing online real? We looked at several properties, including one that didn't even exist. The house we chose, we found through Facebook Marketplace. It was priced well and still within reasonable city limits. For me, that meant below Fort Fodori and only an 8-minute drive to La Fuente ice cream on the Malecon. Set your priorities. We met the sellers a couple of times, a doctor and his wife. There were eyeball-to-eyeball conversations, a few handshakes, and that was it. Real estate agents will tell you we were both crazy. Coming from me, no surprise. But a doctor? I called this the 2-grenade house. It had potential. Just took a couple of grenades and a contractor whom I now trust as much as a grenade with the pin pulled. Here's the thing. What you see here happened before we made a deposit. Or had a contract. My problem wasn't with the sellers. It was my contractor. The crew my contractor had hired were probably the cheapest labor he could find. That's fine knocking down walls, digging holes, and shoveling the rubble. But skill? The contractor did the little thing, but kept asking for more money. I kept asking about the glass doors required for the wall we knocked out, and the pool, and the window in the kitchen that didn't exist. By the time I figured out how screwed I was really screwed. But thanks to our friend Danny, we found a crew who did good work, priced fairly, and were honest. And then there was the pool. And then there was the pool. And the fountain. If you want to find a real estate bargain in La Paz like we did, it will take work, luck, and valiums. Or margaritas. Drive, or better, walk the streets and look for Cervantes signs that don't have a real estate company's logo. Just be aware that many Mexicans use dogs as doorbells. And look at Facebook Marketplace. There are many excellent real estate agents here in La Paz, but if you want it all for less, you will have to get creative, and it will take work, time, and bravery. If you're going to search for a property privately, you will need someone with you who speaks Spanish fluently. I'm lucky. The love of my life and sweet light of my life is Mexican. Good luck in your hunt. Real estate agents or not, welcome to paradise.